Captain Aaron, Atticus, and I are on our way to have some soup dumplings. We're going to Soup Dumpling STL, and it's over kind of west of the city on Olive Boulevard. Here we go. We have come to Soup Dumpling STL today. And we have the cucumber salad and our crab dumplings, along with pork and beef dumpling. Look at this. Oh, that's incredible. So we're gonna go each layer, one layer at a time, and work our way through all of them. The top is the crab, we have pork, and we have beef on the bottom. What a nice flavor it already is. Atticus is learning how to use chopsticks today. You're gonna have to learn how to use the chopstick today, huh?
Yeah, I don't think that's happening.
Each one of these dumplings is handmade, and what's so great about them, there's some soup inside of the dumpling, and then there's also a filling that's a meat, some sort of meat. So you bite them open and all of that, but they're hand twisted. You see this? It's twisted by hand and steamed in the back by a professional chef. Even have on the wall the proper way to eat the soup dumpling. You hold it over your spoon. You take a small bite. You catch all of the soup in the spoon. It's brilliant. You got another one for you?
Yes.
There are no forks and knives here. This is a nice cucumber salad. It's got a nice mix of soy sauce, ginger, a little bit of brown sugar. It's impressive too. It's like they half cut them and then half exploded them. They're broken in half by hand. All right. The beef one has a nice meatball inside. They're wonderful. If you've never had a soup dumpling, you need to come to Soup Dumplings STL. It's on Olive Boulevard. They're fantastic. And they're filling too. We had 18 of them between the two of us. And they're small dumplings, but they add up quickly. What do you think?